See, this is how it's going to be. SMS verification code could not be sent. Please try again later or contact support. I don't understand why. I can't understand why. Everything seems to be okay. Let me send out a text. Let me send out text. Seems to be working quite fine. No reminder. No details. Sent. But that's internet though, isn't it? Let's change that. Change the message. Delivery request. It's sent, but it's not met. That's strange. I think there's something wrong with my. I think there's something wrong with my own SMS. It's received. See? Nothing wrong with it. So, what should I do? Log in. I had a support assistant from one of your colleagues, and she said that she turned off the Google authorizing code, but it is still there, and she changed the telephone number for me, and I replied her in an email, but now it seems like I don't know what's going on. What to do.